I realized that most of the 3D printers in the market, they fall into two groups. High resolution but very expensive, or affordable but in poor quality. That's why we decided Moonray to bridge the gap between quality and price.
I think the best design is the one that is out of the way. And when we designed Moonray, we decided that we should take all the clutter and all the things that make a product more less understandable and minimize it to something that is more useful. Most of the 3D printers have a consumable resin tank, but we took on this great challenge of redesigning it in a way that you don't have to replace it after every print that you make. So it's more durable and it lasts longer.
The heart of every high-resolution 3D printer is the resin curing unit. Most 3D printers use either laser or commercial projectors to do this. But we develop our own custom-built UV DLP projector. We call it Ray 1. It lasts for 50,000 hours and it's able to create parts as fine as 100 micron resolution.
Yeah, what makes Moonray special and attractive, I think, is the resolution. I haven't seen that tight of resolution on a desktop SLA printer that's available for the price that it's at as well.
There's always been a few different challenges in 3D prints. One is not only being able to have it smooth from the print, or a lot of post-processing. And the Moonray allows me to be able to have minimal post-processing. And then also the support structure usually creates a lot of different points on a 3D print that have to be cleaned up later. And in this case, it was very easy to do.
In many ways, the design of the Moonray was about making it more compact and more efficient and more versatile, so it would fit in different environments.
Yeah, for the resolution, you can't beat the Moonray. The price and resolution ratio is incredible. You can't beat it. There's nothing else out there like it.
Had a couple of characters that I created in ZBrush printed on the Moonray, and I was really impressed. I was really blown away, actually. All the small details, little elements, textures, lines, everything that I created in the software came out in the characters, and that really got me excited.
The Moonray revolutionizes the opportunities that I have to run my business.
Everybody can use Moonray because it's affordable, it's easy to use, and it has the best resolution among all the desktop 3D printers.
We believe that the future of 3D printing relies on making it available for everyone. We're excited to deliver Moonray to everybody and to see what
Hi, we're the team behind Tico. As inventors, we constantly use 3D printers to create and test our ideas. But every 3D printer we used fell short of our expectations. They were heavy, overcomplicated, and unreliable. We often spent more time calibrating our printers than printing our inventions. So we came up with a simple solution: Unibody. This is Tico, the Unibody 3D printer. Most 3D printer frames are built using separate rails. Unibody means the rails are built into the chassis, creating one solid piece. One solid piece, Unibody. And with this simple shift in design, all the problems that came from separate rail systems disappeared. More reliable and accurate, Tico sets a new standard for 3D printers. And it doesn't stop at Unibody. Tico has an internal filament tray, an enclosed build chamber, auto safety shutoff, a large print volume, a flexible base, wireless connectivity, and cloud-based software so you can print from almost anywhere on any internet-friendly device.
3D printing is becoming a part of everyday life. Now anyone that owns a 3D printer can use it for endless purposes. But is that really so? Most of the potential 3D printer users may have problems with using the device, creating a 3D model, or even with realizing possibilities that 3D printing may bring them. But they wanted to change it. They accepted the challenge. After 2 years of designing, building, and testing, the Screeware team brought to life the most user-friendly home 3D printer ever made. With high-quality materials, Wi-Fi connection, USB port, removable magnetic bed, touchscreen, and a print area of over 178 inches cubed. Screeware 3D printer is ready to serve every user. Yet something is still missing. There are people who couldn't use this printer because they wouldn't know how to create a 3D design. How could Screeware make it possible for anyone to print what they need? The answer is ScreeMarket, an online platform where everyone could find 3D models ready to print with just one click. The Screeware team worked day and night to build a marketplace with hundreds of models just waiting to be printed at homes all over the world. With the Screeware market and the ready-to-use printer, Screeware is prepared to bring accessible 3D printing to everyone. And for that, they need your help. They need funding to start the production so that everyone can enjoy 3D printing. They need funding for further development of ScreeMarket to make it as usable as possible and to fill it up with high-quality models. You can be their hero. You can make it happen. You can help them. Back Screeware Project and share their story.